Namaste, Om Namah Shivaya. This is the third video on the series of yogic Sukshma Vyayama, and today we are going to demonstrate Medha Shakti Vikasak. Let's see how to do it. Stand in Samasthiti, join your both the legs together, keep your both the arms straight, both the palms by the side of your thighs, spine erect, head neck in a single line, expand your chest and roll back your shoulder. Close your eyes and adopt Jalandhar Bandh by bringing your chin to the chest and shift your entire focus to the back of your neck. Here you have to follow deep breathing. Inhale deeply and exhale deeply, and you can do it for 8 to 10 times at least. As you inhale, your lungs or chest will be expanded. As you exhale, your chest will be contracted. Let's see how to do it. After practicing this as per your capacity, you can stop practicing and come back to the normal position. Medha means intellect or intelligence. Vikasaka means improvement or development. So, Medha Shakti Vikasaka improves or develops our intelligence or intellect. And Medha Shakti Vikasak prevents the diseases caused by the imbalance of kapha dosha. As we are adopting Jalandhar Bandh here, so this is very good for thyroid disorders, and this Medha Shakti Vikasak activates our Vishuddhi Chakra. Further, our prana starts flowing through the Sushumna. It is very much beneficial for the people who are suffering from stress, anxiety or any kind of mental tensions. Regular practice of this Medha Shakti Vikasak can make your mind calm and relaxed. If you want to know more about this, then you can go through the book written by Swami Dhirendra Brahmachariji named Yogic Sukshma Vyayama. Thank you. Om Namah Shivaya.